Prahlada's body was prepared with such an intense spiritual memory by the Narada, soul like Prahlada assumed, accepted that body. The way in which your body is prepared, that kind of soul only takes the body. If you understand this logic, you will be very clear about it. With what kind of memory your body is prepared, only that kind of soul chooses your body. There are millions of souls waiting for the body. Millions of bodies constantly being produced. Depends on the quality of the body and the quality of the soul. They make decision. The soul makes the decision of the quality of the body. Prahlada's body was prepared by Narada for an enlightened soul to land. When the ground was completely prepared, when the body was so pure and sattvic and energetic, simply the soul like Prahlada entered that body and assumed it. Started living in that body. So be very clear, only 3 kshana before the birth, soul enters individual consciousness, assumes the body. Many doctors are shocked by hearing my explanation. Many doctors are trying to question. Medically analyzing this, that, everything. Let me be very clear. Not only I was aware of my birth, I have seen many births happening. Many births happening. And even while working in the painless delivery, I was intensely working on this painless delivery. More than 14 or 15 deliveries we have done successfully without pain. Successfully, without even a trace of pain. Doctors are shocked. How can this happen? Because the monitor is showing there should be pain. And this girl is saying, no, nothing is there, I am okay. And doctors are afraid whether to do a surgery or whether to wait without a trace of pain. More than 14 deliveries successfully happened. Now I am working very seriously on creating a system through which we will be able to reproduce the same experience in everybody. So it will be a big service to womanhood if we are successful in creating that painless delivery thing. Not only painless delivery, there is another line I am working, conscious birth. Whenever we enter into the body, we enter into coma. Because we enter into coma, we forget the purpose of us taking body. You see, according to your purpose of taking the body only, you decide your prarabdha. Prarabdha means the life force or the desire energy which is going to run this body. When I speak, because by seeing their face only I will understand how much has gone to their head, how much has not gone. So I will give a further explanation or I will expand. Please understand, your eyes have got tremendous power to tell me whether you understood or not. Your very eye expression, I know whether it has gone inside or not. That's the reason when I speak, I completely look the whole audience group. Whether this side to that side or whatever it is, I'll always be covering. Because I will see the group understanding, how much they understood. There are 3 levels. 1, sitting and not able to understand. We can always help the group. 2nd, sitting and understood. Beautiful. There is no need to help the group at all. 3rd, sitting and sleeping. And that group cannot be helped. First group which can be helped, will be helped. 2nd group which does not need help, no need to help. 3rd group which can't be helped, can't be helped. So, I'll have clarity. That is the reason I always tell people not to be between me and the group. Anyhow, I'm working on the conscious birth. Means, soul when it takes the body, it will not lose the intelligence of what for it is taking birth. Before taking birth, the whole cosmic consciousness is available to you. Whole cosmic memory is available to you. And tremendous choices are available to you. You can choose whether to take birth in America or Africa or England or India or whatever it is. You can choose. The choices are available to you before taking birth. You choose your father, your mother, your place, your body, your everything you choose. But after taking birth, you forget your chosen. Why you forget? Because you go through coma. You go through the coma. See, it's like a big energy is forced into a small body. If the settling happens in a proper way, in a very slow way, like 10 bus people can be put in this one hall, if you arrange it very properly. But if you just like that load them inside, what will happen? Each one will be beating each other, and especially Indians. And finally, not only 10 bus will not be able to put inside, even one bus we will not be able to put inside. Because each one is fighting with each other. And the whole thing will be a mess. Same way, when you have to assume, enter into the body in 3 kshana, in 3 seconds, all these samskaras fight with each other so violently to enter into your body, you lose the consciousness, you enter into coma. So the prarabdha with which you came down, you forget. People ask me, how to then find out now with which prarabdha we came? Understand? Whenever you get a desire, if this area means that from Swadhisthana to Anandagandha, this area, if it feels strong energy, be very clear that is your prarabdha. That desire is your prarabdha. That is the area where prarabdha works. See, Mooladhara is nothing to do with directly prarabdha. It is agamya and sajjita. Means the big bank of karmas. Big bank of karmas. All your karmas put together is Mooladhara. It's like a storehouse. Storehouse, completely unconscious. And Anya is also again storehouse, completely conscious. It is a complete unconscious storehouse. It is complete conscious storehouse. Between the Swadhisthana and Anandagandha, if you are a healer, you know the Anandagandha area. It is around below the Anahata, above the Manipurala. This is the area that Anandagandha. If you have done healing initiation or meditation, you must be able to know the Anandagandha. The Swadhisthana and Anandagandha is the area where you will become aware whenever your prarabdha becomes alive. Whenever prarabdha becomes alive, prarabdha means the karma or the purpose for which you assumed the body.